Hello, friends. In the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. Today, we will talk about a topic which is related to road sector of India only, but definitely it is having a different aspect. We have discussed about various topics yet about the road sector. There is a separate playlist on your YouTube channel. So, the investors who wants to know more about it or know in detail about the road sector of India can check out the YouTube channel for the same. All these sessions are coming to you by BSc IPF and SEBI, so don't forget to say thanks to them also. When we are talking about road sector of India, we have discussed about the opportunities and the upcoming projects. We have discussed about road density, but the topic on which about today we will discuss are the key sector trend and the priorities of this sector. When we are talking about key sector trend, ease and economy of traffic movement is one of the important thing, because if the traffic is increasing, definitely it will improve the toll collection. So ease of doing business, also economy of traffic movement is one of the thing. Then focus on road safety is there. If you have noticed on some express highway, few express highway, there are the plates which are on the bracket of both, means like there are some plates which are there on both the sides of road. If the vehicle is going out of the road, then there will be the vibration for the vehicle. Why it is there? For the road safety. So road safety is one of the important thing. Many new things are coming for road safety. Then increased use of IT application. Nowadays all of us are using FASTag, which have improved the toll collection, and it is one of the important thing which was much needed for the correct toll collection. So it is saving lot of time, and because of it the cost of transportation is also decreasing. So usage of IT is a boon. Now is boon, anyways it is a boon, and when we are using in this sector, definitely it is going to be a beneficial for it. Then alternate source of funding, equity and debt can be the source of funding, but uh, there is also a think tank which is thinking on it that can there be some other source of funding for road and the road infrastructure, so that more and more investment will come in and more roads will get developed. Emphasis on green initiatives, yes it is there, because all of us are suffering from air pollution and entire world is going towards green. So emphasize on green initiatives is there. And of course we have talked a lot about Bharat Mala Pariyojana and other projects which are there in coming years. Now we will talk about priorities. The priorities are focus on multimodal transport integration, because you have to do it if you want to reach out to more and more people. You have to do it. Then increase priority on road safety. We have discussed about it. Road safety is important. If the number of road accidents will come down and the number of fatalities will come down, definitely it is good for entire humanity. So increase priority on road safety. Then adoption of more enabled solution. Of course PPP model was one of the major reason for the success of road infrastructure in our country, but is there can be some other model which can be used in this sector, is one of the thing on which the think tank and the road experts or experts in this sector are working on it. So this is one of the thing which is on priority. Adoption environment friendly green transport solution, of course we have talked about it. And maintenance and capacity augmentation for huge road network, because if day by day the road network is increasing, then maintenance and the capacity augmentation will be one of the major thing on which we should look as a priority. So whichever company or investor is choosing to invest in, he should always look, or she should always look that if these are the priorities and these are the key sector trend, then how these things can be beneficial for our company. Is our company getting anything out of it? So if we look at in this way, we can take a right decision right time. Today we'll stop here. Thank you very much for liking our session. Same topic is available in Hindi and Marathi. Check out our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Don't forget to write your name along with your email address in the comment section. Stay tuned.